Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hello everyone, it's time for another edition of Icrt客家風 on FM 100 Icrt.
Hello， 午後大家好，我係 Alice Pong。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Lin。12月了，我最興奮的日子就是12月31號晚上11點59分50秒。
跨年新年、
就是從那個50秒開始要 10, 9, 8, 3, 2, 1 Happy New Year!
新年快樂
All right, let's focus on Happy New Year today. But first, we're teaching you this month's theme, and that is how are you going to celebrate? 先教大家講我們這個月的主題就是你要怎麼慶祝。
唔愛用版慶祝，
唔愛用版慶祝 Okay, that is how are you going to celebrate? So, we're talking about New Year's today. Okay, 今天就來講新年好了。
好，
那就先教我怎麼說新年咯。
新年
哦，好簡單哦，新年。
順便教你新年快樂。
新年快樂 That means Happy New Year. Okay, you can use this very, very, very soon. 那新年的時候呢，會有什麼事情發生呢？
看煙火。
看煙火啦，對。All right, there's going to be a lot of fireworks going on, so we're going to have to teach you how to say fireworks. 煙火怎麼說？
天法炮。
天法炮，這感覺好像在放鞭炮而已啊。
就是天上，然後會有煙火的
哦，
我們叫做天花炮、天法炮。
你在講的是天上的炮，天花炮了。That's how you say it, 天法炮。Maybe sometimes some people want to choose to stay at home and invite some friends over, watch TV, and on TV you can actually watch different New Year's Eve countdown too. 所以我們教大家怎麼說電視。
天絲。
天絲 Okay, that's a TV.
那海陸腔的電視叫天虛。
天虛 That's a different dialect for saying the television. Let's go ahead and make a sentence. 我不要看電視了，
那要看什麼？
還是要出去看煙火啊。How do you say 我們要去看煙火 We are gonna go watch some fireworks.
愛到愛去。
愛到愛去 That means we are gonna go. Okay, 我們要去
看天法炮。
看天法炮 Okay, that again. We are gonna go watch some fireworks. I got it. Let's review all these phrases. 第一個教的就是新年。
新年。
新年 Okay, or Happy New Year 就是新年快樂。All right, and then some fireworks 煙火。
天法炮。
天法炮 And finally, the television, TV 電視。
天絲。
天絲 And it's all about how are you going to celebrate? 你要怎麼慶祝呢？
唔愛用版慶祝。
唔愛用版慶祝 Okay, that's how you're going to celebrate. And let's have a great 2014 coming up. And that does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
安子 say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.